Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create an account on Tango application. So let's start our video. First, you need to download and install the Tango application on your device. Once you've done that, once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. Here you can continue using your Google account, but if you see there is an option say more, if you tap on the drop down arrow, here you will find you can continue with an email or you can continue with a phone number. So in my case, I will choose the phone number. So once I tap on it, here the first thing you need to select is the country code. Then you need to enter the phone number. So I will do that and then I will show you the next step. So guys, once you enter your phone number, they will send a code and you need to then enter that code and verify your phone number. So I will tap on continue. Now I'm waiting to receive a code sent on my phone number. So once I receive it, as you can see, I received the code and then I just copy that and I will paste it here. So as you can see on your screen, that is it. So the next thing is that they say if you want to purchase some coins, which I don't want at the moment. So I will just tap on skip. And right here, Tango will ask for some permission to allow to the application. So if you want that, you can tap on allow or just don't allow it. So this is the first interface of the application that you see. So guys, this is all it takes to create an account on Tango application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.